Becky in the 35 car. That is going to be the 35 of Greg Henrik. And the 12M car is going to be Ryan Moore. That's everybody. Here they come. Great flag, and we're racing. Eric, I think the surfboard's going to hold up the H2O car. We'll find out.
Yeah, we got a couple of surf cities up there, but right now, surfing the big wave is Dan Huber in the 28H, trying to hold on to that lead.
Good driving by Ed Haas. The 25 was in the grass on the backstretch, drove it right back on the track. Great driving there in the 25 car. As we've got a three-way battle for third. Whoa, Dan Moffitt and the 99Z of Mike Zeckley. That almost got real ugly as Mike Zeckley's going to bring it to the inside. Here comes the H2O car.
Cowabunga, JoJo Markham, Surf City trying to hold on to that lead over Dan Huber, who's now smoking.
And he's really smoking now. Will the car hold up? I don't know.
Definitely got a cloud of dust behind him, making it tough for the rest of the traffic to go there.
As the smoking's getting worse. Whoa, Huber's got a lot of smoke, and he's gonna not hit the wall. That's a good thing.
Yeah, he's leaking some fluid too, it looks like, going into turn 3 over there, a healthy amount.
Yeah, I'd say something with the radiator there, Eric, as could be a radiator or water pump. One of the two there. JoJo Markham. All right, we got it figured out, and JoJo Markham's ready to go racing right now, and the rest of the field is too. They're picking up speed. Back in the rear start collision restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and Doris goes sideways.
Not a good way to start for Doris, but it's the H2O of JoJo Markham. Way out front. Like way out front.
It's got to be the H2O, Eric.
Got to be.
So it's Markham, Doris, Becky, and Moffitt in the 35 of Greg Henrik. Hanging on as Christian Jansen is challenging Henrik. Here comes Henrik to challenge Moffitt.
They go 2 and 3 wide, and it turns 3 and 4 down the stretch they go.
Eric, as I just said that, I just noticed here comes the 921 of Josh Thiering looking to grab that fifth spot from Dan Moffitt, as Greg Henrik is now in fourth, challenging Russ Becky for third.
Steering in that 921, using that low side. We've seen some cars with some great success on the low side here today. But anyway you look at it, H2O of JoJo Markham running away.
Moffitt looked like he got a little crazy coming out of turn 2, made contact with Josh Thiering. Josh Thiering looking to grab that transfer spot away from Dan Moffitt, as it's now Josh Thiering sitting in fifth.
Doris and Becky, along with Heinrich, making Josh Thiering their next 4 up there as those 4 battle.
Rockstar dropping back to that fifth spot, as here comes Josh Thiering in the 921.
And Heinrich hold them off in that 35 machine. A lot of traffic behind. Marco making it easy out front.
Rockstar Russ Becky doing everything he can to try to hold off the 12 car Ryan Moore.
And how about Josh Thiering in the 921? He's worked his way up to that 3rd spot, and a challenge for 2 now.
Very, very close race. Here comes Thiering on the outside of Henrik, but it's still the H2O and JoJo Markham leading them around. Josh Thiering now in second. Here comes Josh Thiering, 1 to go for JoJo.
Yeah, Thiering's done a great job of working that low side. It's been his fast, hot run. Can Thiering pull away from Markham on the back stretch into turns 3 and 4 they go.
As Josh Thiering just broke out, so Josh Thiering didn't work out for Josh Thiering, the 921 car breaking out, meaning that JoJo Markham is going to go into victory lane.
Yeah, need some assistance a little bit.
Need a little push. There's our winner.
Surf City. Cowabunga.
I guess JoJo Markham gave it all he could.
Yeah, that's why he's got the Bahama brackets 2019 written on the side of that car.
He's saying, push me, push me.
Give me a full lap in there. He wants a total victory lap. With the help of the Speedway on them all safety crew. Thanks, guys. That's how you push champions to where they got to be.
Eric, this next race looks so interesting. We have, I see our two divisions right here. We've got a original sixer, our 2019 champion, Jared Neal, and then right behind him, one of our Rockford Roadrunners, Brett Garnhart. And then here comes...